This is the easiest way I've learned to prepare kadamba to eat. Let's get started. First, take your kadamba and cut it into 4 equal pieces. Make sure to cut all the way through for uniform pieces. Next, we'll remove the outer part. Just slice it away carefully. It's super simple, and you want to get all the tough skin off. Now, let's wash the kadamba pieces thoroughly to remove any dirt. A good rinse ensures they're clean and ready to eat. Once washed, you can add salt to taste. I like a good pinch. And if you enjoy a little spice, sprinkle in some chili. Mix everything together for an ultimate flavor boost. And there you have it. Your kadamba is ready to enjoy. It's fresh, delicious, and perfect as a snack or side dish. Try this simple method and enjoy the tasty benefits of kadamba.